Recently, we published a book for entrepreneurs. The name of the book is The Entrepreneur's Handbook to Business Finance. In this video, I wish to explain how this book will help entrepreneurs. Running a business can be rewarding, but it is a very complex journey. There are so many complexities, but in that, the most challenging part for the entrepreneurs is managing finance. Why? Because many of the entrepreneurs come from non-finance background. They may be good at their product or services, but when it comes to finance, they are literally in dark. But understanding the business's financial health is very important for the growth of the business and even for the very survival. But many times, finance becomes confusing and intimidating, and it is just left to accountants. But I can tell you, this book will break down all the barriers. This book is going to introduce business finance to entrepreneurs in conversational style between two fictional characters, Manu and Vinu. Vinu is an entrepreneur who is curious to know about various matters connected with finance, and Manu is a seasoned financial expert who is going to explain everything through examples and case studies. So in this book, each chapter is explained in dialogue format, so you will have better clarity. Let me also take you through the contents of the book so you know what is inside the book. This book is totally divided into 10 chapters. Chapter 1 lays the financial foundation. So in this chapter, readers will understand the importance of financial discipline, importance of foolproof accounting system. Then it will take them through financial statements. It will also take them through critical financial metrics. So key metrics like gross profit margin, net profit margin, current ratio, return on assets, debt equity, DSCR, EBITDA, collection period, holding period, cash conversion cycle, everything is covered. And all these are in conversational state. Chapter 2 deals with financial planning and forecasting. So in this chapter, the readers will understand what is budgeting, forecasting with example, and they will also go through scenario analysis and stress testing. Chapter 3 deals with cash flow and working capital management, where the readers are going to understand how to manage the inventory for better profit margins, how to manage receivables for better cash flow, how to manage payables for better financial control, how to master the cash and bank balances management for better liquidity, how to master the expense management for higher profit margins, how to optimize the labor cost for maximum profitability, and how to master the overall cash flow management, a very critical chapter. Chapter 4 deals with cost and profitability management, where the reader will understand the importance of cost control and efficiency, how break-even analysis is very critical, how to measure return especially on marketing investments, how to create a smart discount policy, how to understand the pricing strategies to ensure business success, and how to understand customer profitability analysis. Chapter 5 deals with financing and debt management. In this chapter, the readers will understand the structure of debt and its impact on the business, how to optimize the cost of capital, how paying more taxes will reduce interest cost, and the readers will also understand different types of business loans, then how to manage the bank loans for better profitability and financial health. Chapter 6 deals with asset and resource management, where they will learn what are the types of assets they should acquire and manage, and how they should manage their inventory and supply chain. Chapter 7 deals with risk management and financial governance. By reading this chapter, readers will be able to identify financial risks and take steps or strategies to mitigate them. Chapter 8 deals with tax planning and compliance. Chapter 9 focuses on strategic financial decisions, mainly with regard to funding options and access to capital, profit distribution and reinvestment, exit strategy and valuation. Chapter 10 deals with growth and succession planning. Very critical chapters which deals with financial planning for growth and succession planning and business continuity. So this is the broad coverage. Let me also give you the glimpse of the introductory part of this book. So here if you see, it is in conversational style. So here Vinu initiates the conversation and Manu gives reply, and the conversation goes on and on. So in this paragraph, Vinu is saying that he's into business for many years, but when it comes to financial side of his business, he's always blind. He's saying that he can focus on sales and he can manage operations, but he does not know where his business stands financially. And for that, Manu says, yes, that's the common feeling. Many entrepreneurs who are good at their craft in developing products or services, but when it comes to finance, it becomes mystery for them. And Manu emphasizes that it is not enough that you just know money coming and going out. If you want to really steer your business in the right direction, you need a clear view of the financial position. And for that, you have to understand every aspect of your finances, not just sales and expenses. So like that, this conversation builds. And if you want to read this further, just take a screenshot. And here is the page 2. To read further, take a screenshot or save this video so that you can come back again. So this entire book is written in this format. So now I believe you got some idea about this book, and if you're an entrepreneur or if you're an aspiring entrepreneur and if you want to have control of your business, you should read this book. To purchase the book, check the link in description, or if you are watching in Instagram, just comment business, you will get auto reply with book purchase link.